Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A for apricot. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lime. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. For piano. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sister. T for tomato. Apple. A for apple. B for banana. C for candy. D for donut. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for home. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lime. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for piano. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.